Here's how you can try to recover a Facebook account that's been suspended for 180 days. First, it helps to understand why this might have happened. Facebook usually suspends accounts like this after repeated or serious violations of their rules. If you saw a message saying your account's been disabled, it means they think you broke one of their policies. But even then, there are still a few things you can try to get your account back. Start by opening your browser on your phone and searching for the Facebook Help Center. Tap the first link that comes up. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in something like Facebook disabled. Find the article that matches your situation. Then scroll to the bottom where it asks, "Was this helpful?" Tap no. Then choose Solution doesn't work. This should open a form. In that form, explain your issue in detail. For example, say something like, "My account was disabled, but I believe this was a mistake. I haven't violated any policies." Include your Facebook name and an email where they can contact you. Be as polite and clear as possible, because the way you explain your situation can make a difference. Make sure to mention any unusual activity or possible misunderstandings that might have triggered the suspension. Submit the form and wait for a reply. Keep checking your inbox and spam folder regularly so you don't miss their response. Next, you can try the Facebook feedback form. Just search for Facebook feedback form on Google. Click the one that lets you give feedback about Facebook. Enter your email, select login as the issue, and describe what happened just like you did in the last step. Hit send and wait to hear back. If those steps don't get you anywhere, your last option is to confirm your identity. Go back to your browser and search Facebook. Confirm identity, click the result that lets you upload an ID. Follow the instructions carefully. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID, and your Facebook name has to match exactly what's on your ID. Make sure the photo is clear and all edges of the ID are visible. Once you submit it, Facebook usually replies within a day or two. Remember, recovery isn't guaranteed, but following these steps increases your chances. While waiting, avoid trying to create new accounts, as that can make it harder to get your original account back. Patience, accuracy, and providing as much relevant information as possible are key. Keep an eye on your email and check your spam folder just in case Facebook's response ends up there. Also, try not to panic. Staying calm and following the official steps methodically gives you the best shot at regaining access.